Jessica, can you just stop?
Worry you so much you go want to disappear. All their actions is based on experience. Experience is the best.
Use this for your transport. I don't need your money. Hope you know that. When my in-law comes back, tell him I've left. Wait. At least if you don't want to take the money, get something for Mama on your way back home. She is your mother. If you need to send her money, you know how to go about it. Mama. Jessica, what is wrong with you? Jessica!
Experience is the best teacher. Experience is the best teacher. There is too much drama in some homes today. Plenty wahala in some families today. Sometimes it's from the man or from the woman. Some women may get wild.
How are you? How are you? Don't mind me. What? Mama. How are you? Put her where? You must be mad. My friend carried that thing. Honest my side. How are you?
Where's Jessica?
She's gone.
She's gone.
She's gone.
You couldn't even let her stay for 1 week.
Nobody chased her away. She packed her bags and left.
You have sworn not to let any maid into this house. Listen, Angoli, if you faint again, you'll never see me there until you die or return.
Subike, let me die. Let me die. If that is what you want, let me die.
Well, don't die in my house. Go to your father's house and die. Not in this house. Don't put me into trouble.
Just say it. Tell me you don't want me anymore. Say it to my face. I mean, you don't even have to say it. I know.
Can you hear yourself? You sound like you're losing it. You're out of control. Yes.
You know what? It's better for you to choose between having a maid in this house or having me as your wife. It's that simple. If you don't want me anymore, let me go back to my father's house. What is it? I said I don't need a maid. Do I have to sing it? You are making me go mad, Azubike. Leave me alone.
I'm not making you go mad. You're mad already. Yes, you are. You act it. You act as if you start really mad.
I am not getting a maid, and that is final. Except you want me to run into the streets. Let me go mad. I will not stop. No woman will come into this home. I have been here for years. There is no one that will come into this home.
All their actions is based on experience. Experience is the best teacher. Experience is the best teacher. There is too much drama in some homes today. Plenty wahala in some families today. Sometimes it's from the man or from the woman. Some women they get wahala. They will choose their career over their husband and hand over the home to their housemates and hand over Oga to their housemates.
Jessica.
Mama.
Some housemates
I said it. I knew it. I knew you were not going to spend up to 1 week in that house.
It's not my fault.
I know.
It's my fault.
Nebe Kwan, your fault, Kagini Mezia. It's not your fault, my daughter. Lekwe is my fault. Eh? It's my own fault.
Mama, see, I cannot stay where I'm not accepted. Sister's insecurity is the highest I've seen since I was born. What?
I knew you took your indecent dressing to her house. So how do you expect her? How do you expect her to be happy with you?
You should have told me that I was going there to receive home training.
Is there anyone above home training?
Sister. Sister Angurika is the one that needs home training. She needs to be taught properly on how to manage her emotional and mental insecurity. Mama, her insecurity is the highest I've seen since I was born.
Hey! Oh, you may respect Obia or my tenenu makwoge. Ibaroto na akpagari. Fanyeni kanohu na akpagari na bedia. If fanyeni kanohu ina akpagari na bedia kuya. Sorry for yourself. Sorry, oh. Sister Angurika is sometimes Arapukwaga eba. Ilamachuku nemerema adimebu benanya.
Hi.
Good day, sir.
Good day. How you doing?
I'm fine.
Why are you standing? Where you headed?
I'm going somewhere. I want to pick something. I'm waiting for the cab to come.
Oh, all right, come in. Hop in. Let me drop you. Oh, come on. Just go there.
Wow. You left where you're going to just to drop me here.
Oh, no, come on. It's nothing. I mean, I know I'm behind schedule, but anything for my wife's friend.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
You're welcome. Trust me, you're beautiful. And you got great smiles. Okay,
All right. Thank you. Bye.
Yeah, you sure do look handsome. Okay. So how are you guys doing?
Fine.
You want to tell me anything?
Yes, Dad.
What is it?
Alright, Dad, look, ever since we came back, we haven't seen Auntie Jessica. Oh, okay. So, Kosi, her belongings are no more longer in the room. So, has she gone? Dad?
Yeah, your mother sent her away.
No, Mom. Dad, please, you have to bring her back home. Please, Dad. Okay, look, Dad, she always helps us with our assignments. And we always go to school, come back, we get an A, we always score a high score, good score, and we're always happy. But look, Mom can't do that for us because she's always tired, working, she doesn't have time for, to do our assignments.
For you, yeah.
Yeah, so now I just want you to help us to bring her back home so she can help us. Please. Anytime we write our assignment ourselves, we end up scoring 0.
You score 0?
Yes.
Because she's no longer here. Yeah, that's what you said.
No, I didn't say that. But we always score 0 normally. Or 1 or 2 or 3.
So she helps you with your assignments?
Yes. That's why.
So anytime she's around, you do well in school. That's what you say?
Yeah.
Please, Dad. Please tell Mom to bring her home. Please.
Please.
That's okay.
Right. So, Dad, what are you watching?
Nothing. I'm not watching anything. I'm watching you.
Watching me?
You need a haircut.
But sir, you know my sister is very difficult to stay with.
I understand, but I need you to help out. She's actually going through a lot of stress. And it's affecting her relationship with everyone.
Mama said she will come and spend some time with you guys. I think she will be alright.
Mama is getting old. And I don't think it's appropriate, to let Mama do all those chores in the house. I don't know. You just need to help out, please.
I'm sorry. My mind is made up, please.
In that case, I guess I'll have to wait for Mama.
Okay. Should I get you anything?
Water is fine.
Okay, sir.
Thank you.
I bought this for you and this one for you. Don't you like it?
Oh, I like it, but that's not the problem.
What is the problem? Ogene?
I want to ask you something. Mommy, are you happy staying in the city without us? Or do we not mean anything to you?
Oh, no. My son, come. You mean the whole world to me. It's just that it's not in my powers to take you. If not, I would have taken you with me.
Eh? Mommy, we are not happy living here without you. We want you back.
If you have done anything wrong to you, just forgive us. I want to stay with you in the city. Like, are you happy seeing us like this? Look at us now. Look at your children.
How has it been with your new home?
It's not been better, Mama. Just in my husband.
is always sleeping around with different women. In fact, he is the worst I've ever seen.
It would surprise me if you said he is not. Lying and cheating. Give it to men. That's the pioneer of extramarital relationships.
But Mama, why are they like that?
Men are told and they are brought up and they believe they are the heads of the family. But some misinterpret it. Yes. Some take it that being head gives them the right to do anything they like, whether the other person likes it or not. But no. And this idea of seeing women as lower beings makes some men disrespect women a lot. Yes. All these old narratives make many men so disgusting. Yes.
But Mama, yes. How do we change that? How do we convince these men to see women that we are not trees? How do we make them understand that we have feelings too? How?
My dear, you younger women that are still giving birth should raise up men differently. Make them understand and see women as fragile beings that need love and care. They need to take very good care of their women. You see, to a woman or a girl child is brought up to see the husband as her crown and the pride of her womanhood. But the man? The man is to get a woman and make her his first priority. That's why you can get a man will so love you, give you everything. I mean everything, but still cheat on you. That's meant for you. But men should be made to understand that women are their thrones. Have you ever seen a king without a throne? Or any king with multiple thrones? No. They should see the women as their throne. Take good care of them. That's the only thing that can change it, my dear.
Mama, how do we go about this? We, the young women, are now suffering from this wrong upbringing you're talking about. How do we save ourselves from all this? How? How do we do it?
Love conquers all. Love, my dear.
Love? Mama, I don't think love is enough. Because I show him love, it's not working. It's like the more I show him love, the more he cheats. Right now, I don't even know what to do again.
Love killed Samson through Delilah. And love saved us all through Jesus Christ. So love, only love, can tame the wild carnivorous animal and turn it into a tamed one, a domestic animal that we now live with. Only love, my dear. Love can do it all.
Hey, boy. Hey. Hi. How are you? Hey, boy. How you doing?
Mama, even when you're going to visit people, at least this bag doesn't look like you came to do surprise. This bag is big. You should have called me to tell me you were coming.
Don't worry yourself. I have come to stay at least 3 months.
It's again.
Oh, wait, on. 3.
Baby, are you aware of this?
I'm sorry, I should have told you. It's my fault, I forgot.
No, it's not about it being your fault. She made up her mind to come and spend 3 months here. Mama, because 3 months is a long time for you to come and spend in somebody's house. You cannot, who takes care of your farm in the village? Who takes care of the house? How can you leave your house for a whole 3 months and come? Are you coming for Mugo? These children are big. What are you coming to do? 3 months is too long for you to spend here now. If at least you stay 1 day or 2 days and then you go back to your house. How can you come here to spend 3 months? So, I should go back to the village.
Mama, it hasn't got into that.
No, it's better. It's better you say it boldly.
Mama, give it to me. Mama, wait. It hasn't got into that. Boy, take this. Take it on 7 days. It's okay. I don't it's my fault.
3 months is too long. How can she stay here for 3 months?
Bring my bag.
Mama, that's Mama.
Bring my bag. Let me go
Mama,
back to the village.
Listen to me.
Let me go back to the village.
Mama, listen. It hasn't got into that. It hasn't got into that. Okay, I'll handle this. Please, it's okay.
Babe, 3 months is too much for her to spend in this house. That is what I am saying. She cannot be here for 3 months.
It's okay. Mama, come.
No, I'm going back to the village.
Mama, listen to me.
Mama,
it's okay.
It's better you go.
It's okay. It's okay, Mama. Let's go. Take Mama to her room.
Oh, I don't know how you leave your house and come to somebody's house to come and spend 3 months. Is this place a hotel? Or does it look like an amusement park? How can you come and spend 3 months in somebody's house?
That's enough.
It's not enough.
I said it's enough.
How can you bring her to come and spend 3 whole months here?
But I just apologized. I told you I forgot.
Well, you have to tell her to go back 3 months.
That's enough. Angoli, you're getting on my nerves now.
Okay, I won't talk. I won't say anything again. But 3 months is too much.
You're embarrassing me. Stop it.
Yeah.
So, please, can I get a minute of your time, please?
How may I help you?
Has someone ever told you that you're the most beautiful creature on this planet?
Yeah, my husband tells me that every day.
Husband? Oh, you're married?
Yes, the ring should have told you that already. You are not visually impaired, are you?
Oh, no. I know they say love is blind, but trust me, we can mingle if you don't mind.
Mingle?
Oh, yes.
Even when I'm married?
We're adults, and I know it's a thing of choice, if you don't mind.
You must be a very stupid man. You are married, yet you want to sleep with another man's wife. What happened to your wife?
Listen, you don't need to go hard on me, okay? Just in the money, man, and I can do anything. I mean, anything for you.
Really?
Oh, yes. Trust the money, man.
I think you should take your manhood to your wife. She should be the one, the only one, to have access to it.
See, I can give you money, love, anything. Just name it and it will be at your doorstep.
Oga, take all the packages you want to give me and go and give to your wife. She's the one that wants it. She deserves them, not me. Idiot.
Look at someone I'm trying to help. money, everything, you're on a platter of gold and you're none. This is unacceptable.
What are you doing here?
Mama. Washing plate. Their grandma taught me how to wash. So she taught me.
Grandma taught you how to wash plates.
Yes, Mama.
Why?
That's cool, Mama. Look, Mom, I can even run errands for you. I can even help you with the house chores. Besides, I'm having no problems. I'm grown up now, Mom. Look at me.
You are grown up.
Yeah, I'm a big boy. Thank you. If you excuse me, I want to wash my plate.
I should excuse you.
I want to wash my plate.
Okay, I'll get you more.
You want to give me more? Yes. How many do I have to wash? Give me everything. Give me everything.
Just take it. Let's go to my house.
I'm going to run it.
Okay, let's
go.
Hey! Jesus. What is he doing? You want to strangle her? Hey! Wait. Oh my God. Hey. Chineke me. Hey. Hey.
Can you see that?
Yes. Hey. No. You are going out.
Mama.
And
my son said you were teaching him how to wash plates. Why is that?
Kelvin, how can you have such a grown-up boy and you cannot teach him some domestic duties?
Mama, who said that he is grown up? Is he your child? Do you know how old he is? No, I'm asking you, do you know how old he is? That boy is still too young to learn how to wash dishes. Mama, did I beg you?
Mama,
No.
that's the biggest problem she has. She thinks and feels she does anything better than any other person.
Is that what you think? Anyway, for your information, Teacher Wanjoko, the boy you taught how to wash plates did not even wash those dishes properly. So next time, do your work well, if you want to.
Kevin has been the one washing the whole thing for the past 2 days. And we have been enjoying it.
Mama, before you start enjoying, Biko, you did not come to my house to come and raise my kids for me. Allow me to do my job. Don't teach my son how to do anything again. Please.
Hey. Anna. My dear, as you can see, my son-in-law and I, we are busy doing something before you came in. Before you interrupted us. Oh? Nangwa. Hi.
Mama. Mama.
Wait. Mama. Wait now.
Please, excuse me. I want to have a word with my husband. I said I want to have a word with my husband.
Nah, I'm coming. Okay. No problem. Hey!
Bia, Azubike, what is the meaning of that? What exactly were you two watching on your phone that you people were just laughing and bringing out the whole house? Eh?
Angolika, what did it look like we were doing? Were you not here? Huh?
You know the thing about you? You take things so easily. Life is just so easy for you. You don't care to know how people feel about it. Is that how you see life?
You have the spirit of jealousy. Yes.
Is that so?
You have jealousy inside of you. And you have to be very careful so that it doesn't land you into trouble.
Land me into trouble?
Yes.
You are the one that will get into trouble. Look at the way you were close to a woman old enough to be your own mother. Why were
are you laughing with her like that? Have you ever in your life showed me something on your phone? If I go close to your phone, you hold your phone. Have you showed me anything on your phone and laughed with me like this before?
I can't believe we're having this conversation.
No, we are having this conversation. No. Azubike, we are having this conversation. If I hold your phone, you will drag your phone. Now you are so close to my mother, showing her and laughing. As if you people are enjoying what is on that.
Your mother is very friendly.
What with dragon?
Yes, your mother is very friendly.
No, I'm a dragon now.
Your mother is very friendly.
I am not friendly.
Your mother is very friendly.
Problem.
Yes.
You see the end of this.
I can't believe we're having this conversation. Honestly. I can't believe you have such thoughts.
There are things I need to buy.
Mama, do you know your way to the market?
No. I think I'll take taxi.
Mama, you must inform me before you go out. Because when you go out and those hoodlums on the street find out you don't know your way, it's easier for them to do something bad to you.
Okay. Come and take me.
Where is my mother? I wasn't speaking Spanish. I said, where is my mother?
Oh, she went out.
She went out? With who? I mean, where did she tell you where she's going?
At this junction.
Oga, speak. There is no junction here. Did she tell you where she's going?
Madam, my duty in this house is minding the gates. I cannot ask a guy where he's going to, who he's going out with, and why he's leaving off the full year. Come on, there know when.
Wait a minute. By that you mean my mother went out with my husband?
Speak up before I hit you.
Yes.
Wait, where did they go to? Did they tell you where they were going? I mean, when did they leave the house? Where did they go to?
Madam, I don't know. No, I don't know. 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 I
Get lost.
Very serious situation. I tried to speak to them, but they didn't listen.
Where are you two coming from? What? Yes. Where are you coming from? I've been home for over 3 hours, and you two have been missing in action. Where have you been?
I don't understand. I took your mom to the market.
Huh? Chiregodo, it's again. Hey! Azubike, since when did you turn to a driver? You took my mother to the market. Since when? Mama? Huh? So my husband took you to the market and you comfortably sat in the car for my husband to drive you in the market. As what? I am asking, as what? Since when did this start? Hey, you see you. This is your eye. This is your eye that I'm looking at. Hey, that thing you are looking for, you will find it in 100 folds. You took my mother to the market. Since when? Have you ever driven me to the market? I am asking you, have you ever taken me to the market? Mama? Well done. Thank you. No problem.
What is it? Mama, don't worry. I'll ask the gate man.
What is she talking about?
Mama, leave her. Let me tell the gate man to bring him.
He said this one mama biko. What is Shimbaka? Hey.
Angolika, what were you thinking? That's your mother, for crying out loud. She came downstairs and said she wanted to go to the market. I had to take her to the market.
Oh, congratulations, taxi driver. Suddenly you now take my mother to the market. Why is that? That was when you were so happy when my mother came to the city. Before she came here, I used to go to the market, don't I? Don't I go to the market to get food stuff? What is the meaning of this? At least you should have told me.
Anguli, why do you always conceive stupid things in your head? No, tell me. Are you trying to say I took your mother to the hotel? Ha! Is that what you're saying?
Ha! Azubike, that is not what I said. Please, Biko, don't put words in my mouth. I did not say that.
No, but what are you insinuating? Are you trying to... Okay, tell me. What would I possibly do with your aged mother?
Ojuan.
What?
Why are you asking me? Are you having a pricky conscience? Azubike, I'm asking you, are you having a pricky conscience? Why are you asking me?
You're unbelievable.
Thank you.
You are unbelievable.
It does not end here. You will not take my mother to the market next time. It will not happen.
Cynthia,
Hi.
how have you been?
I'm good.
Well, like I'm right on time.
Were you looking for me?
It's obvious. Permit me to sort this out.
Don't worry. I don't need to bother you with this. I will do it.
No, please just let me be the gentleman. Sorry, can you calculate both and let me have the bill?
Okay, for her phone is 42,500.
Calculate both and let me know. Wow, man, you're looking so astonishing all the time.
I've already ordered for both.
Oh no, come on, you don't need to do that. Permit me to take you wherever you're going to.
I don't need to disturb you with that, okay?
Let the worries and the bother be mine, okay? I'm not complaining. All right? For a charming, pretty lady like you, I'll take the opportunity to want to drop you wherever you're going. So, shall we?
Uncomfortable with this closeness between my husband and my mother. They are just too close for comfort, and I'm very uncomfortable. I don't like it.
Wait. This is unbelievable.
Yeah.
Are you suspecting your husband and your mom?
Yeah. Did I say that? I didn't say that. You don't even know my husband. You don't know the person he is. I know the man I live with. I know who I'm talking about. You don't just understand it.
This is not good at all. But tell me, did you tell your husband about this?
Of course I did. Why won't I? Chinwe, my husband is a chronic cheat. I know the man I live with. Of course I had to tell him.
I know you know your husband, but I feel maybe there are things in the past you're holding against your husband. Yes, because I don't know how you started your home.
Chinwe, I had nothing when I got into my home. In my home, I found fulfillment. I found joy. What do you expect me to do? I should protect it with everything in me.
I know, I understand. But you're being overprotective. You're protecting your husband too much. And that might bring doom.
God forbid. Chinwe.
Yes. I'm saying the truth. You have to stop it. You're protecting that man too much. Even the animals, they need space. They need air to breathe well. That is what I'm trying to say.
Hello? Who's this? So I'm sorry, I didn't know it was you. So please, can you give me more time, please? I promise I'll pay you back. Sir, please. Thank you, sir.
How much are you owing him?
Don't worry, I'm fine.
I could pay for you.
No, it's a big money. I promise to pay gradually.
Is it up to 10 million?
10 what? No, it's up to 10 million. It's 500,000.
Put your account number here. Go ahead.
It's a bit too much for you.
Nothing. It's too much for such a pretty, charming lady like you.
Thank you much, sir. I'll forever be grateful for this.
You don't need to thank me. The thing is, I don't want my wife to know about this.
But she's my best friend, and I think it's better I tell her.
You know the saying, what happens in Vegas stays in Vegas? Meaning we have to keep this relationship private.
It's okay. I understand.
Okay, better, best. Makes you more smarter. What about you stopping by the house and maybe prepare a good meal for me?
My house?
Yeah. That would be nice, trust me.
I don't have anything in the house, so I think it's better we stop by and get food.
Not a problem. We could do that, and I can have both meals together.
Once again, thank you.
You're always welcome. You know you're beautiful. You got a great smile. You know I can't take my eyes off you.
You're my friend's husband, please.
Yeah, nah, just let that go. Come on. I shouldn't stand as a barrier. I really do like you. I want to take very good care of you. Just smile. Come on. Yeah.
Mommy, I miss our family. We used to be together, and I enjoy those moments we spent together. I wish we can come together again.
Yes, Mommy, we cry every day for this.
I know. It's just that we may not come back together again. You know, because your father is married to another woman. And I am married to another man. So it's...
Mommy, we will grow like this for the rest of our lives. Mommy, it's not fair.
Why are you blaming me? It's not my fault.
Does it matter who forces it? It's just not fair. It's not fair.
But I haven't had meal this good in a while.
Honey, it's okay. This is the fourth time you were saying it. You've commented
Hey!
funny.
You people have done eating. Huh?
Yes, Mama.
How is the food?
It was good. It was good. It was okay.
Mama, I was going to say my wife cooks well, but your food is sweeter.
Thank you.
What is it now?
Azubike.
Huh?
A woman never gets too old to dance to a rhythm that she has mastered. Kitchen experience my presence whenever I go in.
Where are you going?
I don't know. Your wife is jealous again, no?
Mama, you have seen what I've been going through in this house.
You have to take it easy with her. You are a man. I think you should learn how to win her trust. I believe if you learn how to win her trust, she will stop all this. And
Biko, you have tried, eh? We have enjoyed you so much. We have enjoyed your stay here. Biko, first thing tomorrow morning, you pack your things and go back to the village.
How dare you say that to me?
Or can I say how dare? Mama Biko, so that you will not waste time tomorrow morning. First boats leave at 6. Pack your things this night. First thing tomorrow morning, I am taking you to the park.
You will not try that nonsense with me. Hey, I will not do that. I cannot do that. Anurika, don't push me. If you push me, I will go to the village and tell all the villagers that you accused me of sleeping with your husband.
Hey! Yes, Mama, I did not say that. Because all I said is pack your things and go back to... Mama, go back now. Sure, you have a farm to take care of. Your fowl, your chicken, everything, they miss you. Go back to your village and stay with your husband. Leave my husband's house for me. I
will not try it.
Mama, you will leave.
Anurika, Mama, I will really want to kill that madness.
Mama, you will
I will kill that madness.
Leave your husband's house.
What is wrong with you?
What kind of... Go back to your husband's house.
If you are possessed, I will beat you out of... I will beat that possessed. Hey! Anurika, you keep quiet. You didn't say anything.
Azubike, whether you like it or not, Mama is leaving this house tomorrow. First thing tomorrow morning, please.
Do you ever get dressed? Huh? Get some rest. Huh?
Have you given me any rest?
No, but...
Azubike, have you given me any rest? I am asking. Why would I rest? I am not going to rest. Mama cannot stay here. Mama has to leave tomorrow.
Mama cannot leave this house.
Azubike, Sigini.
Because she's helping you do a lot of...
Did I beg her? Did I beg her to help me do anything? Have I not been running every errand in this house? Haven't I been doing anything? Why do you always look for a way to make me act like I'm a crazy woman? Huh? She has my father to take care of in the village. Let her go back there and take care of my father and leave my house for me.
Sorry, Mama cannot go back. She's helping with school runs. And that's very important. Yes.
Hey.
Listen, your nagging is getting me crazy. Can you stop? Please.
Ewo. Nam. That is all you have to say. No, that is all you have to say. But you see you, you are yet to explain to me why Mama traveled all the way from the village to the city without my consent to my own house. But there's no problem. The truth, it will soon be unveiled. Rubbish.
Things are getting out of hand. I've tried to tolerate her, but she keeps pushing me too hard.
See, Azubike, you just have to take things easy. Listen, my father told me that every woman has a problem. All you need to do is to learn how to handle the one you have. If you bring another woman today, if you still don't learn how to handle her, you will still have the same problem with her. So the best thing to do is to learn how to handle your wife. Huh?
Emeka, thank you for your advice. I totally agree with you. But at this point, I can't handle Anguli. It's impossible to handle her, don't you understand?
Now let me ask you, do you want to take another wife?
No, God forbid. I don't have any intention to do that.
Good. Then you need to calm down. Learn how to manage your home. Huh? If possible, change her. Huh?
Emeka, you don't understand, do you? It's impossible to change Angolika. And at this point, I'm fed up, I'm tired.
You don't need to be tired. You need to work harder. Try more.
Some decisions we make are favorable to us, but in most cases, it hurts people we don't want to hurt at all.
So how do I amend this right now? I never really thought about how my children would feel before I left. So what do I do?
My daughter, if you had left when they were younger, they won't feel this bad. If you had left because of domestic violence, they won't blame you much. But you left when They are too little. Even presently, they are too young to understand what cheating means that would make you their mother. Leave them.
So, Mama, that's the problem. That is what I'm saying. So what do I do now? It has already happened. And the way it seems now, it's like I cannot even change anything. Or, Mama, should I talk to my husband to see reasons they should come and stay with me?
You cannot change anything. You can't. You just have to love them, allow them grow. With time, they will understand everything, even without much explanation.
But it seems they want to stay close to me or their father.
You know how addicted your husband is to women. Oma is no longer a child. She's growing into an adorable, beautiful girl. Anything can happen, and that will be worse than what had already happened. So please, for that reason alone, you are not taking them out from here. Please, my daughter, you just have to love them more, show them love, visit them more often. They will know how much you love them. When they are of age, they will understand that you did what you had to do. Oh.
Madam, good day.
Yes, thank you.
Madam, wait. Madam, no there, so.
I never told you I'm here to see you, madam.
You know they come here when my mother know their house.
Are you mad?
I know the man.
Are you sick? How dare you ask me that stupid question? Is this my first time coming to this house?
Madam, I only tell you say my mother know their house.
Shut up! If you ever talk to me again in that tone, I swear to God you not like what I will do to you. Idiot.
I only tell you say my mother know their house. I know why it's the best. So let's confess how when the mother know there.
Chinwe, I am finished. Chinwe, I am finished.
Just calm down. Just sit down. Sit down. Put yourself together. What's the problem?
Chinwe, my deepest fear has started to play out.
What are you saying? What happened? Amuli. Put yourself together and talk to me.
You would not believe what my eyes saw today. Chinwe, my heart bleeds.